So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set a price alert for a stock here on Wealthsimple using the Wealthsimple mobile app. So once you have the Wealthsimple mobile app opened up on your iPhone or your iPad, what I want you to do next is to go ahead here to the bottom bottom left of your screen to where there's this magnifying glass in between the arrow going up and the dollar sign. So we're going to go ahead and press on stock right here where it says search name, symbol, or service. We're going to press on discover. And then for this example, we're just going to go ahead and search up just a basic ticker symbol VFE, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, a very popular index fund among Canadian investors. So we're going to go ahead here and press on this right here. So as you can tell, if this is the fund that you want to set a price alert for, you can just check it out for yourself. Basically, if this is what you want to do, it's pretty simple. You can either go ahead to the top left corner to where there's this bell, or you can go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says alerts and press create an alert. So we're just going to go ahead here and press on the bell right here to where it says set an alert for VFE. If we want to make a price alert for this stock, we're going to go ahead and press on price right here. It'll say you'll be notified if the price moves above or below the value of your choice. We're going to press continue. So as you can tell, if we wanted to make the thing where it says 98, for example, so if we wanted to say alert us when it goes below 98, we'll press on 98, create an alert, and there you go. I'll press on create an alert, and basically where it says now, it says your alert is all set. We'll let you know when VFE reaches $98 CAD. To get this alert, make sure you allow notifications for the Wealthsimple app in your phone settings. I will press on got it, and basically that is how you guys can set a price alert for a stock here on Wealthsimple using the Wealthsimple mobile app. I hope this video helps.